Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on LENOVO 14e Chromebook Generation 2. To do that, you have to click the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that, open the Wi-Fi menu right here at the top. Make sure to toggle Wi-Fi service on, and after that, you will see the list of available networks right here at the bottom. Select the network that you want to connect to and enter the password to it. Then press enter and wait until you are connected. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.